Have the Versa wing. I took the middle off, guys. I'm being a little lazy with this plane, guys, but it's actually working out pretty good, guys. As you can see, it's still alive. It's still alive after all the cosmetics and everything I've done to it. It's still alive. We're gonna walk over a little bit more to the middle, guys, because as you can see, we have wires there. But today what we're gonna do is we're gonna fly this Versa wing, guys, and then we have the FT Scout, guys, as promised. I have it in the trunk, guys. I have not brought it out yet. It's all white. I didn't do the review yet. I just built it. We're gonna straight do the maiden, and I got a surprise for you guys if everything goes good for the maiden. All right, we are pretty good. You have a decent amount of space to fly. Check your controls. All right, I am running a this is a 1260 kV motor, guys, 745 prop, 2200 milliamp battery, and I have a 30 amp on there, guys. Let's see if it'll do this any justice. Ooh, thought she was gonna be underpowered, guys. Needs lots of right trim. That's why I like launching with my right hand, guys. So my left hand is always on the sticks, so I can prevent that from happening. And look how smooth she flies, guys. Beautiful. That's nice, guys. Wow. I'm gonna get a little altitude, guys, and I'm gonna lean off the throttle. No throttle, guys. Wow. She's so smooth, guys. Now this is something with this exact setup, guys. This is like very beginner, guys. This is so smooth, guys. Now that's full throttle, guys, as you can see. It's not gonna give you any vertical, at least not as much. Let me see. Yeah, not as much, guys, but that flight time should be a nice, decent flight time, guys. It's nice, guys. Let's bring it in for a low pass right here. Wow. Another low pass. Let's bring it in closer so we can see it. Guys, she's so smooth. She honestly feels like she still flies with an EDF inside of it. That's how smooth she's flying to me. Wow. And I'm still on low rates, guys. Wow. Just flip to high. As you can see, she's a little, could play with her a little better. Ooh, wonky loop. Fast pass. Wow, guys. Little to no wind today, guys. Wow, she's so smooth, guys. No throttle. Just glide. Wow, guys. Let me do that again. I want you guys to see what I just did right there. I literally did not have my hands on the stick, guys. Let's do that one more time, guys. Lean off the throttle. Bring it in straight, guys. Look at that. Whoa, now it's going straight down, guys. There you go. Almost. I don't know why they didn't do it that time. But she's so smooth, guys. Nice, guys. It's so beautiful, guys. Roll. Here you go. Ha. All right, guys, let's bring her in for a landing. I'm pretty satisfied for this. Ha. She's so nice, guys. I really don't even want to bring her down. Look at that, guys. Ha ha. Almost. It's cool. It's all right, guys. Wow, guys. Let's check our battery real quick. I have our battery checker right here. We've been flying for a little while, guys. Wow, she's at 81, guys. 81. I am going to keep going, guys, just so we can see how long we can actually fly on this 2200, guys. Oh! Just messed it up, guys. Just messed up that toss, guys. All right. We're looking pretty good. Let's give it another one. There you go. That was my fault, guys. But she's at 81, guys. She's nice, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Let me bring her in this way. Look at that, guys. Hands off, guys. It's flying itself, guys. No throttle, no nothing. It's fly itself. Do it one more time. No throttle. Look at that, guys. I got a magnet in my hand, guys. It's like, wow. What I'm going to do, I'm going to break this video into 2 parts, guys, just because this just became interesting, guys. Honestly. This flight time, I literally usually get this much flight time on any other one of planes. I never got this much flight time. With the same battery as well, guys. Look at that, guys. Oh my goodness, she's so smooth, guys. And I've been like sort of like killing the throttle, guys. Guys, this plane is amazing, guys. Yeah, guys, I'm going to split this video into 2 parts, guys. Wow. For the sake of this video, guys, I'm killing the throttle a little bit. So I want to see how long we can get, guys. Uncut. I'm not really gonna cut this video. This one, the Versa, I'm not gonna cut this video, guys, so you guys can see exactly how long I got with this exact setup, guys. It's amazing. Wow. Bet we could fly about 15 minutes, no problem. If I go easier on the throttle. Wow. Let's bring her high up there, guys. Wow. Look at that, guys. Wow, guys. I'm gonna bring her a little higher, guys, so we can see it fall by itself. I want to see it fall by itself, guys. All right. There you go. Wind's taking it that way. Let's turn it around. All right. Straight towards us. Look at that, guys. Wow. That glide slope is amazing, guys. Hands off, no throttle, guys. Look at that. It's like a kite. Wow. Wow. Basically don't have to do anything, guys. If I had a bigger field, she'll probably land itself. Guys, we're gonna have to fly. We're gonna have to find a bigger field, guys, so we can test that theory out, guys. I can try it here. Just it's gonna have to be just slow. It's like that, real low. Wow, guys. Guys. Whew. Love this plane, guys. This is me just wiggling it, guys. That's not the wind. Guys, I love this plane, guys. It's magnificent. Let's do a nice little pass right in front of us, guys. Whew. Another one. Ha! Wow, guys. Think we can hit another one? Think we can hit another one, guys. Now, guys, I literally got my phone mounted right on my hat, guys. All right, let's get it. Whoo, right over us. Wow, guys. I've been up there for a little while now. We should try and invert it, guys. Let's get up there and let's try and invert it. Why not? I'm inverted, guys. It's a little wonky. I saved it, guys. It's all right. Getting a little better with the inverted, guys. There you go. It's a little wonky, guys. Let's bring her down and check our battery. There's a dog. Look at the dog, guys. It's chasing it. We're not gonna bring her down right now until that dog is tamed, guys. I want her to think it's a frisbee or something. Alright, let's bring her in. I don't think she's gonna go for it. Wind is coming behind us, so we're gonna come towards us. Smooth, guys. Really smooth, guys. Let's check our battery, guys. Let's check our battery. That was nice, guys. All right. And if you guys can see, we're still at 56, guys. 56. So we still, if we want to be greedy, guys, we can go ahead and juice it all the way down, guys, to about 30%, 20%, whatever it is, guys, whatever you guys want to do. But we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna call it. It's fair enough, guys. I think that was pretty decent time, guys. That was long enough, guys. That was really long. So with that being said, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. We are gonna be flying the FT Scout, guys. All right, guys. See you in the next one.